Hello students, I'm going to show you how to join the breakout rooms when we are in our Teams meeting. So this is the main session where everybody is. So when I tell you to join your breakout group, you will need to go here on the left hand side and click on the icon that says Teams. Okay, so now you are on this page. It's the general page for the Teams meeting. Your main session is here. Now to join the breakout groups, you go a little bit down and you see the groups here. If you're part of the first breakout group, you click on this one. Now you see it says first breakout group here. You go a bit down, you see a small icon here with a camera. It says Meet Now. You click on that. You click on Meet Now. And now you are in your breakout group. You can see the main session is still going on here, but you are present in your breakout room. Now you can work on the task that I have given you. When you are done, you hang up, you stop the breakout room from here, and then you need to click on rejoin to come back to the main meeting. So this is how it works.